At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a TV series business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the current trends in television entertainment, audience preferences, and the competitive landscape. Identify potential niches or gaps in the market where your TV series could stand out. 2. Develop a concept. Create a compelling concept for your TV series. This includes defining the genre, target audience, characters, storyline, and overall tone. Consider what sets your series apart from others and why viewers would want to watch it. 3. Write a pilot script. Write a pilot episode script that showcases the essence of your TV series. This script should introduce the main characters, establish the setting, and set up the central conflicts or themes of the show. 4. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target audience demographics, marketing strategies, budget, and revenue projections in a comprehensive business plan. This document will serve as a roadmap for your TV series business and can be useful when seeking investors or financing. 5. Secure financing. Determine how much capital you need to produce the pilot episode and subsequent episodes of your TV series. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, investors, crowdfunding, or partnerships with production companies or streaming platforms. 6. Produce the pilot episode. Hire a team of professionals including writers, directors, producers, actors, and crew members to bring your pilot episode to life. Manage the production process, ensuring that it stays within budget and meets your creative vision. 7. Market your series. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your TV series to your target audience. This may include creating a website, social media presence, press releases, trailers, and other promotional materials. Build anticipation for your series prior to its release. 8. Pitch to networks or streaming platforms. Once your pilot episode is complete, pitch your TV series to television networks, streaming platforms, or production studios. Be prepared to present your concept, pilot episode, business plan, and marketing strategy to potential buyers. 9. Negotiate deals. If a network or streaming platform expresses interest in your TV series, negotiate the terms of the deal including licensing rights, distribution agreements, and financial compensation. 10. Produce additional episodes. If your TV series is picked up, continue producing additional episodes to fulfill your commitment to the network or streaming platform. Maintain the quality and consistency of your series to retain viewership and attract new fans. Starting a TV series business requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. By following these steps and staying true to your vision, you can increase your chances of success in the competitive television industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.